See, Ghana is not just Accra. There's a whole lot of country outside of Accra. Get out of Accra. Welcome to another vlog. My name is Bferore. If you're new here, please click the subscribe button and leave a comment telling us you've subscribed so we can welcome you into the family. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome home, or as we say in Swahili, karibu nyumbani. In today's vlog, I'll be giving you like travel hacks, things that you need to know before you come to Accra and things that you need to pack. And we'll start with point number 1. Get the right documentation. If you need visa, get a visa. If you're going to stay in Accra for quite a minute, get multiple entry visas. If it's just a one-time, please get your papers ahead of time and do not even think of extending your stay without the legal paperwork. Number 2, if you don't come from tropical countries or African countries, please get your malaria shot. You do not want to be sick in a foreign country. Get your malaria shot, and if you can, get a typhoid shot. So when you come here, you don't have to worry about anything. You feel safe and you can just feel free to enjoy. Number 3, let's deal with humidity in Accra. It is hot. The sun sets at rises at 6 in the morning. So you want to be sure that when the sun rises, you're ready. Carry sunscreen. And staying with the heat in Ghana, you need to pack light. Pack light clothes, pack airy clothes. And also do not pack many bags because the people that sell clothes, there are really nice clothes on Kara. So pack light. Please, when you land in Ghana, buy a local SIM card. Please, don't let your hotel tell you, oh, we have Wi-Fi, oh yeah. Don't. Buy a local SIM card. That makes it really easy for you to communicate with the Ghanaian friends, whether you're relocating there or you're just there for a short stay. Short stay could be a week or a month. Get a local SIM card. It makes communication really easy. Even with the Uber drivers, it makes them calling you really easy. See, Ghana is not just Accra. There's a whole lot of country outside of Accra. Get out of Accra, okay? Stay for a day, 2, 3, explore the city. Go up north, go to the Volta region, go to Takoradi, go to Akosombo. Oh my God, you will love Ghana when you get out of Accra. And the thing is, Accra is crowded, but some of these other places, they're not as crowded as you might think. So if you're going there, particularly for travel purposes, you'll really enjoy because it's not crowded and you're given top-notch attention. So try as much as possible, if your trip can allow and if money can allow, to get out of Accra. The other thing, Accra is expensive, Ghana is expensive. Please bring 3 times the amount of money you think you need, okay? Because you'll want to move around, you'll want to try new experiences. You'll say, oh, where I come from, Ubers don't cost that much. Well, here they cost that much. So what are you going to do? Pack extra amount of money, 3 times what you think you might need. If you think you'll need 500 USD, bring 1500 USD. But I promise you, the experience that you get out of it will be absolutely worth it. Blend in with the locals, blend in with the people. Don't go with tourist status. You want to enjoy Ghana. Blend in with people, greet people, make friends, because this is the people that know the insides of Accra. They can show you Ghana in a way that no tour guide will show you, because nothing beats local hospitality. So if you can blend with some of these people, the stories they'll tell you, the history they'll teach you, the things they'll show you, the tips they'll share with you are priceless. Sometimes when you're traveling places, you just want to tick off boxes and say, okay, I've gone to the Blackstar Square, I've gone to Legon Botanical Gardens, nah. Slow down. An itinerary is just to guide you. It's not a Bible where you live and breathe by it. Slow down. If you go to the beach and you're enjoying it, enjoy it, okay? If you go to a homestead and you're enjoying the food, it doesn't matter if you're supposed to go out at night. If you're enjoying that experience, enjoy it. Slow down as a tourist and just enjoy that process, because it will be really a shame you've done all these things and you have just random pictures and no memories, solid memories to back it. I call it the Instagram addiction. You just want to be a place, take a picture. If somebody asks you how is it, you don't even know, because all you ever went to do there was just take a picture and show people. This vacation is for you. Slow it down, enjoy. You guys, I have 1 picture of me in Ghana, 1. But look at all the stories I'm always telling you. It's the experience that matters. Put your camera away and enjoy Ghana. Guys, tell me, what did I leave out? For the Ghanaians who are watching, please tell me what are some of the travel hacks that most of our foreign friends can adopt when they're coming to Ghana. And if you're a foreigner and you've come to Ghana, have these tips been helpful? Or what did I leave out? Or what do you resonate with? The comment section is always open. And as always, I reply to each and every single one of them. My name is Ndiro. Nobody does it like we do it here on this vlog. So tune in for more content. Click the subscribe button, click the notification button so that every time I upload a video, you're the first person to know. I'll see you in the next vlog.